Okay, thank
So there
you.
are like few iconic characters जो आपने play करे हैं, which I'm sure बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे, और उनमें से one of them obviously it has to come is Three Idiots, right? Virus. Okay. तो वो inspiration कहाँ से मिली वो character play करने की? कैसे वो play किया? कि कोई देखा था ऐसा प्रोफेसर, क्या किया उसमें?
I went to Raju with the idea. Raju is very, very methodical in his writing process. I went with him and I said, I think we should shoot him ambidextrous. दो हाथ से.
अच्छा. Okay.
So Raju, मैं लेट गया ये आइडिया के साथ उसके. So that time he was quite close. मुझे नहीं, I got shoot कैमरा. बोला नहीं ambidextrous बनाओ, दो हाथ से लिखता बोर्ड पे, दो हाथ से पेन. जीनियस है ये आदमी. लेकिन क्यों? ये शॉट लेने के लिए मुझे एक्स्ट्रा 1 घंटे की शूटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. आई डोंट हैव टाइम. आई सेड राजू लेट्स डू इट. फिर बोला चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट अ सीन लाइक दिस. वो लिख रहा है, फिर वो बोर्ड पे लिख रहा है. When I explained to him, either you convince or get convinced, one of the two. He said it's useless. I'll keep coming with ideas and you will convince me and I will back off. I said, if we had made him just straight up administrator, and no offense to administrators, it's fine. You come up with it. मेरा number, the college 75th था, फिर 35th हो गया, फिर second आया, now in the top 3 numbers. वो बोलते रहता हूँ. बट वो अगर सिर्फ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होता तो ठीक है, लेकिन वो जीनियस है और वो जीनियस का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया उसने. दैट्स हिज ट्रेजेडी. वो जीनियस है, वो बहुत कुछ कर सकता था. And he said, oh, okay, let's do. So Raju is such a clever man that he immediately said, oh, okay, he got it done. But the other externals, we came up with a lot of. I was anti doing the role only. मुझे ये role नहीं करना है because मुन्ना भाई में भी same है role. उसकी बेटी वो अपने जो मेरा swan enemy के साथ, she's in love with my swan enemy. Number one. He's a principal of a college. He's cranky. इसी ने करेंगे. I was very fond. I've always been fond of Irfan. तो इरफान को बमन, let's do it now. Then we went for a retreat. हम लोग कहीं चले गए और वो डिस्कस करने लगे. बोला we'll give him some nice quirk. We'll give him this lisp, which I threw at him. So think of your professors. Come up. So I came up with this thing that's very interesting. Camera निकाला. राजू हमेशा पुराना कैमरा निकालता था, पुराना. I said, this is very nice. Aman is very charming. It's very nice. It's beautiful. And then the externals came later.
Nice.